Welcome to JH. In this tutorial, I am going to guide you through the initial steps of using Cargo Collective, which is an excellent platform if you want to construct a visually impressive website. Let's go through the process together so I can show you exactly how it works. To start, navigate to the Cargo Collective homepage. If you are a new user, you will need to register, or simply log in if you already have an account. Once you are inside the dashboard, look for the option to create a new site and click it. You will then be shown a variety of different templates available for selection. Pick a design that resonates with you and that you are eager to personalize for your own project. Once you have picked the right template, the next phase involves deep customization. Move your cursor to the top right area of the interface and click on the Edit button. This action opens up a wide range of tools that allow you to modify the design to fit your specific style. Within this editor, you have total authority over every design element, from the typography and font styles to the color schemes and images. As you begin tailoring your page, look at the menu on the left side to find the background options. This is a fantastic way to establish the atmosphere of your site. You can select from various styles, including solid colors, repeating patterns, or high-resolution images that match your desired vibe. If you want a more sophisticated look, you can choose dynamic backgrounds like gradient fills that transition between colors to add visual depth. For those seeking something even more striking, explore the interactive and animated background settings. A particularly fun choice is the morph effect, which allows the background to transition smoothly between different shapes for a modern aesthetic. You can also experiment with creative effects like the ripple, which mimics the movement of water, or use pixelation and polygon styles to create bold, geometric looks that stand out. With these diverse background styles, it is very simple to test different looks and find the perfect fit for your website with just a few clicks. Next, you can add some energy to your pages by using the Flying Objects feature. This tool lets you animate specific elements so they float across the screen, adding a whimsical touch to your layout. For instance, you can have your logos, icons, or images glide from one side to the other. You can fully customize the movement by adjusting the speed of these elements, making them move quickly or slowly for a more subtle feel. To increase the visual impact, you can set these objects to loop continuously or appear at specific intervals. This gives your site a sense of life that engages visitors and makes your content feel much more dynamic. It is also a great way to highlight promotions or featured products interactively. You can further improve your site's utility by adding a clock feature. Whether you need to show the current time, a countdown to a specific event, or a world clock, this tool is very versatile. You can customize everything from the time format to where it sits on the page. If you are using a countdown timer, you can even adjust its speed to ensure it integrates perfectly with your overall design. Whether you are creating an event landing page or just want a live time display to keep users engaged, the clock feature offers great flexibility. Another creative option is adding symbols and icons, which is an interactive way to boost the visual appeal of your content. Symbols are excellent for emphasizing key points or directing users to specific areas. For example, if you are mentioning a specific destination, you can insert an arrow, a map pin, or a location icon to grab attention. These symbols help break up long blocks of text and make your message more visually distinct. They also help guide the reader's eyes toward the most important information. You can also use icons within buttons or navigation links, such as a shopping cart for products or a heart for likes, to immediately signal the intended action. With a wide variety of shapes and intricate icons to choose from, you can easily match your site's theme and improve the overall flow and readability of your design. Cargo Collective also provides numerous ways to enhance your text. If you want to add motion, you can set your text to scroll or bounce, adding another layer of interactivity. You can control the speed to be slow and subtle or fast and energetic. You can even make the text bounce as it travels across the screen, adjusting the intensity for a more playful feel. Beyond movement, you can apply cool effects like rotating text, adding shadows for depth, or making phrases blink to create a sense of urgency. Other eye-catching options include fading text in and out, or using various animations to keep viewers focused. For a truly unique experience, you can even make certain elements on your page draggable for the user. Now, let's look at using columns. With Cargo Collective, you can split your layout into multiple columns, giving you total control over the page structure. Whether you want 2, 3, or 4 columns, the choice is yours. This flexibility allows you to organize your content based on what you are showcasing, such as placing a gallery or a slideshow in one specific column. Each section can have a different purpose, making the page feel well-structured. You can also adjust the width of each column to find the right balance. If one section needs to be larger, you can easily tweak the sizes until everything fits your vision perfectly without being stuck in a rigid grid. Additionally, you can use dividers to separate columns or different sections of your page. Simple lines or horizontal rules can help break up content visually, ensuring every part of your site is clearly defined. These small details make your design look more professional and help create an organized, easy-to-navigate layout. For those who want even more customization, Cargo Collective allows you to add your own CSS and HTML code. This gives you absolute control over the styling and layout, allowing for advanced animations, custom margins, or unique hover effects. Basically, if there is something specific you want to change, the custom code option makes it possible. When designing for both desktop and mobile users, the platform makes it easy to ensure your site is responsive. The built-in preview function lets you switch between different views in real time to make sure everything is aligned correctly. This saves a lot of time by removing the guesswork. You can also make device-specific tweaks, like resizing images or changing font sizes for a better mobile experience. These tools ensure your design is fluid and accessible to everyone, regardless of the device they are using. Once your site looks exactly how you want it, you can move on to publishing. You have the choice to make it public or private, and can even attach a custom domain for a more professional appearance. Finally, you can add a favicon for the browser tab, write a description for your site, and include meta tags to help with SEO. You also have the option to set up a contact form, which is very helpful if you want visitors to reach out to you directly from the website. These final touches ensure your site is not only beautiful, but also functional and easy to find.